I spent $300 on fertilizers my first year gardening. Then a neighbor showed me what she kept in a bucket by her back door, and I haven't bought fertilizers since. Most folks think you need a quarter acre and a greenhouse to grow real food. But here in the States, backyards are shrinking. HOA rules are getting stricter, and good land isn't cheap. The truth? Some of the most productive gardens I've seen fit on a 10 by 10 patio. Let me share what actually works. Start with what you're already throwing away. That coffee ground, eggshell, and vegetable scrap you toss each morning? That's liquid gold for your soil. Make a simple compost tea. Just soak your scraps in water for a few days, strain it, and pour it around your plants. It feeds the roots, loosens heavy clay soil common across the Midwest and South, and keeps pests guessing. No fancy equipment, no trips to the garden center. Think up instead of out. We Americans love our lawns, but most of us don't have room to sprawl. Vertical gardening changes everything. Run a simple trellis against your fence or garage. Tomatoes, cucumbers, pole beans. They'll climb right up, leaving ground space for lettuce, spinach, and herbs underneath. You're basically stacking your garden like a layer cake. More food, same footprint, better airflow to prevent mildew. Especially helpful in humid states like Florida or Georgia. Water smarter, not harder. Summer heat across Texas, Arizona, California. It's no joke. Mulch your beds with wood chips or straw to lock in moisture. Set up a simple drip line from a rain barrel if you can. Even reusing dishwater, skip the soapy stuff, on your garden can cut your water bill and keep plants happy during dry spells. Less time with the hose means more time enjoying your evening. Let your plants protect each other. This one feels like cheating. Plant marigolds next to your tomatoes. Aphids hate them. Tuck basil between your peppers. Onions near carrots. These combinations confuse pests naturally, so you're not reaching for sprays every weekend. It's old-school companion planting, and it works whether you're in Oregon or Ohio. Harvest all season, not all at once. Instead of planting everything in April and drowning in zucchini by July, stagger your seeds every few weeks. Grow quick crops like radishes and greens in containers while your main beds do their thing. You'll have fresh food from spring through fall, and you won't burn out trying to process 50 pounds of tomatoes in 1 week. Now, here's the trick that surprised me most. A vertical potato tower with layered compost. Sounds fancy, it's not. Get a wire cage or wooden frame. Even an old trash can with holes works. Start with a few inches of soil and some seed potatoes. As they sprout, keep adding layers of soil mixed with kitchen scraps. The potatoes grow up through the tower, and you harvest way more than a traditional row, all in about 2 square feet. I pulled 30 pounds from one tower last fall in my Michigan backyard. Small moves, real food, less waste. You don't need to overhaul your whole life or spend a fortune. Just pick 1 or 2 of these ideas, try them this spring, and see what happens. Gardening in America has gotten overcomplicated. It doesn't have to be. If you want to go further, there's a resource called the Self-Sufficient Backyard that goes deep on these techniques. From soil building and rainwater systems to small space gardening that actually fits American suburbs. It's written by folks who've been doing this for 40+ years, and it's practical, not preachy. No pressure, just putting it out there if you want more than a YouTube video can cover. Start small, grow what you'll actually eat, and enjoy the quiet satisfaction of picking dinner from your own backyard.